Okay, so this is Sonic Boom's effect on the Sonic franchise. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. Yeah, we love you, Sonic. Yeah, you're the best. Sonic Boom comes out. Kill it with fire. Kill it. Wait a minute, but it wasn't me. It was the horrible redesigns. Bleh. And now since Fire and Ice is out, well, kind of the same. Except we're waiting for Sonic Mania in 2017 to fix it back up. But until then, Sonic can just faceplant forever in an infinite loop. Faceplant.